Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this new cryptocurrency update on Bitcoin today, Tuesday 12th of October. Okay, very quickly, I'm gonna get again into the Bitcoin and let's see what Bitcoin is actually giving us clue and the hint of where it's about to go now. And I'm in the 4-hour time frame right now. As you can see, we are respecting this yellow moving average on the 4-hourly, and you can see Bitcoin coming down once again to retest this one. 56,000 or 57,000. But anyway, until our technical target isn't being met, and we're actually very nearly to 58,200, which is my price prediction out of this consolidation point that we had in the past few days. And after we broke out, we take the height. For example, look, listen, we take the height of this. Okay, of this consolidation point, wherever the breakout is, you put it right there, because you take the high to the bottom, breakout, and this is your target. Okay, now this pattern is always going to be in play. I'm going to say this again and again until I don't see, guys, that Bitcoin comes and gets and falls inside the consolidation box once again. Until I don't see that, I'm always going to say 58,000 is the price, is the technical price out of this thing. And chart never lies. Okay, they lie, the charts never lie. And if you see Bitcoin doing something stupid and coming down inside here, we lose this red moving average, which is the 20 EMA, and we fall down. This is the next support, which is 55,000. If we lose the 55,000, we're going to come and test the blue line. So basically the blue line is going to creep up until here, but until I don't see any kind of pattern like that one playing out, I cannot say we're going towards the downside. And quickly diving into the 1-hour time frame, let's see what we had. Yeah, so on the 1-hour time frame, guys, the Bitcoin went up, came down, retest, it went up, it came down once again. It still respected this support, which was resistance back in the past. Now I see some sort of a V-shaped recovery right there. Okay, and let's assume that this was a V-shape. We take the height to the bottom right there, wherever the breakout is. If it's here, you can see it's just nearly very next to this target that I've given you. Okay, so these are two hints that 58,000 is potentially in the cards and we are playing. But what's next for Bitcoin? What about when we reach 58,000? What are we going to do? Where do we go from there? Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? Now there's some clues that I can see from the past, and I want to dive into the daily time frame right here, and I want to show you a level of resistance that Bitcoin can actually consolidate. And that's this one. Okay, this level here, this one, you can see so many resistance in this level. Okay, so I'm gonna just draw a trend line, and we can have, let me start from this place, okay, all the way to that place. Okay, this is where Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin actually reaching, and it's very near. Our technical target is actually very near to that line, 58,000. You can even make the case it's 59,000, but it's between 58 and 59,000 dollars. Now you can see Bitcoin moving up, and when Bitcoin actually moves up, it goes on, hits the wall. It hits the wall, hence the title of the video. We have our huge wall over here between 58 and 59,000, and after it hits the wall, it could come down once again from to this support line that we actually see, or maybe Bitcoin could actually consolidate towards the sideways until it doesn't go towards the upside. Now there's one more reason that we can consolidate towards the right side, or sideways consolidation can happen, and the reason is because if I take the Fibonacci from 52,000 all the way to 39,000, as I told you, we've broken out of the golden ratio, and my next target, basically, if it's based on the Fibonacci, is 63,000 anywhere in October. So the reason why I do say that Bitcoin can consolidate in this range is so that we can break out. When we break out, we go on and see 63,000, and that's it. We fly all the way over there. And the next thing that I would like to actually talk about is the Bitcoin dominance. Now the Bitcoin dominance is showing me a huge bad news for altcoins, and the reason why is if we go on to the weekly time frame right now, can you just see a nice, very beautiful double bottom? I mean, it's nothing. This is something that even a normal person, non-technical person can see. It's a double bottom. For those who do not know anything about double bottoms, I'm going to give you a flashback, a very quick general knowledge. When you see double bottom made like this, prices become bullish and we move towards the upside, and if you see double tops, the prices become bearish and we move towards the downside. And right now Bitcoin on the bullish is giving us a technical target. If we break out of this W formation, then the technical target is going to be from the high to the bottom. Wherever we break out, if we break out from this place, we could go to all the way to 54.64, but the safest place to give you a target is this blue 55 moving average, which is going to be 51.63 on the chart right now. And this is the story, okay? I'm not trying to sound bearish. I'm not trying to say, hey, sell your altcoins or anything. It's not a financial advice for you to go on and start selling your altcoins. But if I have to give you a suggestion, is that when you see altcoins go down, buy even more. Here's a quick tip. Sell the huge green candles and FOMO at this level. Be fearful when you see green candles and be greedy when you see red candles, because if you try to buy the green candles, you get the red candles, and if you buy the red candles, you get the green candles. It's just that very simple. The psychology of the crypto market is very opposite to our normal human being mentality and this understanding of crypto markets, just like the opposite. And there's a reason why you're always buying high and you're selling low. It's because you do not have patience, or maybe you're just buying on these beautiful green candles. No, that's an illusion, guys. This is where you should be fearful. This is where you do not do anything. And when you see this, people, when they're afraid, take some money, you buy, you sell over here, okay? You buy from this place, you're gonna have another green candle until here, which is our technical target. So basically, nothing to worry about. Keep holding. If you're in for the long-term gains, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be so lucky. And we might see an altcoin season after we touch this line. It might get a reaction, maybe consolidate, or maybe come downwards. And if it does come to the downwards a little bit, that will be a much more better situation for altcoins for trading. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video, Bitcoin update video. So keep hustling, keep supporting. I hope you stay in good well. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, inshallah, with a new video. Thank you so much, and subscribe to the channel.